In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a WebEx camera that is not working. While inside your WebEx meeting window, start by clicking the small arrow next to the Start Video button. You can also access this by going to the top menu bar, selecting Audio and Video, and then clicking on Camera. This action is crucial because it allows you to access the camera settings directly within the WebEx platform. As you do this, you'll see a drop-down menu appear, which will give you options related to video settings. This is your first line of action to ensure that your camera is recognized and functioning properly. Next, take a look at the device list that appears. Here, you should select your specific physical hardware, like your integrated webcam or Logitech Brio. It is important to avoid options such as WebEx Virtual Camera or OBS Virtual Camera. These options may not represent the actual hardware you're trying to use. By selecting the correct device, you ensure that WebEx communicates directly with your physical camera, enhancing the chances of resolving any issues you may be experiencing. Now, a quick tip. If you are using an external USB webcam, unplug it, wait for 5 seconds, and then plug it back into a different USB port. This forces your system to redetect the camera. This simple action can often solve connection problems that may prevent the camera from being recognized. It's a quick, effective troubleshooting step that can save you time and frustration later. After that, press the Windows key and the letter I together to open your system settings panel. This will bring you to the main settings interface where you can manage various system features. The settings panel is essential for troubleshooting as it provides control over hardware permissions and configurations. Knowing how to access this panel quickly is a valuable skill, especially when you encounter issues in the future. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security and then click on Camera. This is where you can check the permissions for your camera device. Ensuring that your camera settings are correct is vital for applications like WebEx to function properly. If the camera is not allowed access, it will not work during meetings. The layout should be straightforward, guiding you directly to the camera settings with ease. Once you are in the camera settings, ensure the master camera access switch is toggled on. This master switch controls whether your applications can access the camera at all. If this setting is off, no application, including WebEx, will be able to detect or use your camera. It's an important step in ensuring that everything is set up correctly for your meetings, so take a moment to confirm that it is indeed turned on. Lastly, scroll down and verify that the switch next to Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera is also explicitly turned on. This setting is specifically for desktop applications and needs to be enabled for WebEx to function correctly. If this is toggled off, even if your camera is working, WebEx won't be able to access it. Confirming these settings allows you to maximize the functionality of your system and ensures a smooth video conferencing experience. By following these steps, you'll have a better chance of resolving any issues with your WebEx camera. Remember, each action is designed to systematically eliminate potential problems, making your video calls seamless and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your camera working again.